Got my favorite superhero, Batman, just got done working out at the gym. Gonna be uploading the subliminal that you guys requested to work out without failure. I am also going to upload another workout tutorial that I shot earlier this year. And next month, I'm gonna buy a camera and start shooting with a personal trainer and possibly his girlfriend more workout tutorials. Besides sleeping good and drinking water, one of the most underestimated ways to boost subliminal results is by exercising. And I am going to explain that to all of you guys for free and answer all of the questions that you guys asked. I'm buying a professional microphone and new webcam. I'm gonna start uploading those Q&As next week. And also, I wanna take advantage or maximize shorts. I have not been maximizing shorts. I wanna start uploading a lot more shorts, break down the lessons and Q&As we already got into shorts. You all have a beautiful evening. Keep the requests coming. Who is your favorite superhero? Who is your guys' favorite superhero and why? Have a beautiful evening.